Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to be going over my updated over 40 skincare routine, skincare favorites. So it's been a minute since I've done this and I think I've really simplified my routine and I've gotten away from the super expensive products. So I want to share all those with you guys. Also, I have never gotten Botox. I'm 44. I'm definitely thinking about it, but I'm trying to hold out as long as possible. All right, we're just going to start with the products that I've been using, and then we'll get on to the gadgets. And then I'm going to talk to you guys about what I've been doing internally. I've been taking some supplements that I feel like have been helping too. So I don't have like a specific cleanser that I use. I have a few, they're mostly K-beauty ones, but I just usually do a double cleanse. But then I follow that up with my milk toner. This is called White and Milk Toner, and this is so good. It's just like really creamy. It's supposed to brighten your skin. It leaves my skin so hydrated. I will put this on after I wash my face and it feels like almost like I don't even need moisturizer, but I do. But this stuff works so good. I love how hydrating it is and it just gives you like a natural glow. So these two kind of go together. I'm so thankful I found this brand. I think it's called Nita. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but these are pretty much my only like skincare products that I've been using. So this is the eye cream and then this is just like an all-in-one, pretty much does it all. So the eye cream is probiotic solution, retinol, and peptides. It's got a really nice consistency and it's just really hydrating. I don't know what it is. I don't know how this brand does it. I mean, these products are so cheap. Like, I think they're both right around $10. So I don't know how they're able to do it, but they work so good. This product here, this is just like, if I had to take one thing with me like to a deserted island, it would be this. Like, this is so good. So this is like, it's called the Youthful Formula Ultimate Moisturizing Cream. It's gonna help with wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots, skin complexion, dry skin, redness, and more. It has collagen, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. It's so good. Like this thing, I mean, I probably don't even need the eye cream, but I just like using both. But this is so good. If you order anything from this video, get this, it's so good. I'll link everything down in the description if you guys want to check it out too. But I'm just so thankful that I found these because I was using very, very expensive skincare. I mean, the eye cream I was using was probably $70, which it was a very good eye cream, but I'm so happy I found the cheaper one. And this stuff, yeah. Okay, and then this is just kind of, I need to get my new one out. This is just kind of like a specialty item that I use maybe like once a week. This is the Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. And what you're gonna do with this is just do all of your skincare routine, like do, you know, your cleanser, your toner, and then those two products I showed you. And then this, you're gonna apply this right before you go to bed. Do this after all your skincare, and it's just gonna lock everything in. You're gonna sleep with this on. It feels a little weird at first, but it takes a little while for it to dry. And then it doesn't get super, super tight, but you're gonna put this on at night, and then when you wake up in the morning, just peel it off, and you're gonna have the most beautiful glow, like glass skin glow. Medicube has some really good products and they're not too expensive either. But yeah, this is a good one, just kind of like a little specialty thing. These two go together. I don't do this every night, but I try to. I will take my castor oil, make sure you get a good one, like an organic, this glass bottle. They say that it's supposed to be in a glass bottle. I don't know, those are supposed to be the better ones. But I did find this one on Amazon, but I take this and I apply this to my face, and then I do my little LED face massager. So the red is like the most powerful one. It's gonna warm up, it's gonna get warm, and then it's vibrating. I don't know if you can hear it. But this is gonna help produce collagen. This is gonna just help with the whole anti-aging process. And then it's got the blue that is gonna help. This helps with like tightening the skin, I believe. And this one also helps with collagen. And then the green is for soothing. Like, so if your skin's upset or irritated, this is supposed to help out with that. So this thing just feels nice. I love using it. And this one was super inexpensive too. Another skincare item I'm gonna talk about. This is so extra. This is totally like, I don't know. So what I like to do with this, if you are going out for the night and you just want to look flawless, this is literally like getting Botox. I don't know how this stuff works. It's like magical. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm Eye. So now they have an eye one and then they have an all over face one. This stuff is literal magic. So you put it on. I like to put it under my eyes because I feel like I have like dark circles. Now, if you have bags, like legit bags, this stuff will tighten them and literally make them disappear. I watched so many videos and I was blown away. I'm like, how is this happening? So I just like to use it. It feels like when I put it on and I look at myself in the mirror, it looks like I have it on right now, actually under my eyes. It looks like you have a filter on. I don't know how it works. I will say, it does make your skin feel tight. So it's not gonna feel like, I don't like to put a lot of makeup over it because I feel like it'll get weird. But if you can handle the feel of it, it works so good. My mom actually bought, she's 71, she bought the face one and we went out the other day. She put it like up here. She sent me a picture of her forehead and I was like, Mom, you look 12. Like her skin was no wrinkles in sight. I mean, this stuff is crazy. You guys should search for it like on YouTube or TikTok or something and the videos will shock you. So this stuff's pretty cool. All right, let's get on to the one. This is the most expensive item in the video, but it's so good. This is an LED face mask. I wanted one of these for so long, you guys. And you know, I wanted to do a dedicated video on this. So there's kind of a story. Got an email from this company like saying something about like promoting their products and I was like, I don't have any of your products, like what are you talking about? So I emailed them and I said, hey, I don't have any of your products, but I would love to try out the face mask and I will definitely promote it for you. And so they were like, okay. So we emailed back and forth a few times and I emailed my address, like gave them all my information and crickets, nothing. Literally a week later, I open up YouTube and Tati is promoting this company and like they're giving away a bunch of masks and I'm like, are you kidding? They couldn't send me one. So I went and bought it. There was a huge sale. I went and bought it. I wanted it so bad. But now I'm kind of glad that I didn't get it for free because I can like tell you my pros and cons with it. So yeah, this is an LED face mask. Here's the remote. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. So I do like this one because it's hands-free. Like you can, well, it is kind of heavy, so you kind of have to hold it. But I do like if you need to walk around, you could. So this one just goes on almost like a headband and I can see through it. Like I can see totally through it. I could go on my phone, I could read, I could watch TV. That's what I do like about this one, how you can still see through it so you can do stuff. I just like to kind of scroll on my phone while I'm doing this. The only thing I don't love, so see the eye parts, like they're very, it protects your eyes very well, but I feel like my under eyes aren't getting any of the red light benefits because this is so big. That is my only downfall because I feel like under my eyes is like a spot where I want like collagen produced and I do want the LED light benefits, but I feel like maybe it's not getting it. So, okay, so you take the remote, turn it on, hopefully. Okay, good. So it automatically turns on for 5 minutes. It does 5-minute increments. I think you can do up to 20 or 30 minutes. I can't remember. But right now it's on the firm mode. That's like the highest mode. It goes to purify, which is like the pretty purple and green. That's so pretty. And then it also goes to glow, which is very similar to the firm, but just not quite as strong, I think. But yeah, the firm is gonna be like the strongest, the most LED benefits you're gonna get, the like most collagen producing, whatever. So I like to do it on, I usually do the firm. Sometimes I'll switch it over to the other ones for like a 5-minute session, but I really do like this one. When I got it, it was on a huge sale. I got it for like 160, I wanna say. So if you're interested in this, like just keep an eye on it. It goes on sale quite often. I can tell when I don't use this for a few days, it just gives you like a beautiful, healthy glow. So yeah, I definitely do think it works and I can tell a difference when I don't use it. Yeah, so basically I've got a couple gummies and some pills and some liquids. Let's start with my favorite. This so far has been my favorite. This is the NAD Plus gummies. It's supposed to support energy, anti-aging support, promote cellular health and repair. So I don't know, this is the second one I've ordered that I've used. So I've been using it a little over a month and I like them. I really like how they taste. They're a strawberry flavor and they look like little gummy bears. They look like little gummy bears, but these are so good. I'm supposed to take 2 a day. I've definitely noticed some positive results from this. I do feel like my skin looks a little more glowy, and I don't know, it could be from any of the skincare products I'm using, but I've been using this too. I really do like this. And then I did start these. These are the Mary Ruth's multivitamin gummies and hair growth. I love gummies. Like they're like my little treat, and they don't feel like taking medicine or anything. But these are pretty good. They're vegan, overall health, gluten-free, sugar-free. This is the peach mango flavor. The flavor's a little different. It almost reminds me of like one of the pink antibiotic I used to take when I was little. It's kind of what it tastes like, but they're not bad. I do feel like they have been helping with my hair. Like I've gradually been trying to lighten my hair, and I still feel like it's healthy. So I don't know, it could be because of this. But yeah, I have been really liking these. I like that it's a multivitamin, plus it has the hair growth benefits as well. It has Lustreva for thicker, fuller hair in as early as 3 weeks, improving wrinkles and fine lines. So yeah, highly recommend this one. And then kind of along the lines with that, this is a multi-collagen complex. So I was taking collagen peptides before. I had like the powder that I would mix in my coffee. And I was hearing a lot of negative things about most collagen peptides, saying that we kind of just pee them out, that our body's just like not even, So this is supposed to be one that is really good and is not going to just leave our bodies immediately. It has biotin, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. The only thing I don't like is you have to take 3 of these. Just seems excessive, but I do feel like these have been helping a lot too. This could be like contributing to my hair as well. But if you are looking for a collagen peptide, I would highly recommend this one. And then the last thing, this is kind of random. I don't know if it's working, but I kind of feel like it is. This is an organic lymphatic support liquid drops. So about a month ago, I was looking at a picture that my husband had taken, and my face looked so puffy. I don't know, could be perimenopause, could be the wine, but I was reading about how this can help with lymphatic draining. So I was like, you know what, sign me up. So they're just drops. You're supposed to put them in like a drink and just like mix it in. But I've actually just been taking them, like putting it in my mouth and then drinking some water, because I don't know. I just feel like putting it in a drink is just not, I'd rather just put it in my mouth and get it over with. But yeah, so it kind of reminds me of like honey or something like that. So it's not a horrible flavor, but I do feel like these have helped like with my puffiness. Maybe it's all in my head, but I feel like it is helping. So obviously you guys do your research before you try any of these. Consult a doctor. I am not a doctor. I'm not anything. I'm just telling you guys what I have been using for myself and what I would recommend. Okay, I'm not telling you to go out and do it. Definitely check with a doctor first. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. I will definitely link all the products in the description. So if you were to take anything from this video, I would say this and these are my favorite. The NAD gummies, and then of course this is, you cannot go wrong with this. So, all right, let me know if you guys have tried any of these. I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.